Packing a punch, unveiling the power of idioms in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, packing a punch. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering any language, and understanding them can really elevate your English skills. So, let's explore what it means to pack a punch in English. Idioms are expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say. They are phrases where the meaning is figurative, not literal. Packing a punch is one such idiom. In this section, we will explore the origin of idioms and why they are important in everyday English. Originally, packing a punch comes from boxing. It refers to a boxer throwing a very powerful punch. The word, packing, here suggests that the punch is filled with power, like packing a suitcase full of items. We will analyze the literal elements of this phrase and how they contribute to its figurative meaning. In everyday English, when someone or something is packing a punch, it means they have a strong effect, influence, or impression. It's not just about physical strength. This can apply to a person's words, a part of a movie, a taste, or even a weather event. We'll look at various examples to understand its usage in different contexts. Here, we will practice using packing a punch in various sentences. This practical exercise will help you incorporate the idiom into your everyday English. We'll look at formal and informal contexts, and the subtle nuances of using this phrase. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the meaning of packing a punch. Idioms like this add color and depth to our language, and understanding them is key to sounding like a native speaker. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in using this powerful idiom in your English conversations. See you in our next video, where we'll explore more exciting aspects of the English language.